Thank you for being here, dear soul. From my heart, I welcome you to this morning meditation with I Am Gratitude Affirmations. Thank you for allowing me to be your guide today. Every day is a new opportunity to create the life you love to live. It is not always easy, but it is always possible. Possibilities and opportunities are waiting for you. They want you to notice them. What you want wants you. Are you ready now to make a courageous commitment to create an extraordinary day no matter what? I am. Allow the words that I share to shower over you, like you are standing in the most beautiful, tranquil waterfall of pure blue-green water. You do not need to remember the words that I share. Trust that your subconscious mind will absorb them and imprint them in every fiber of your being. Now, take a nice deep breath in and hold that life force inside your body for a few moments. And you can smile with your eyes and your mouth. Decide that this day is your day. Exhale slowly now and breathe life into your life. I deserve to feel good. That is why I do what it takes to make that happen. I am gratefully accepting that my well-being and happiness is my responsibility. Gratitude is the ultimate vibration for attracting more to be grateful for. I am embracing this day with gratitude. With a thankful smile in my heart, I am passionately present in my life today. I am truly thankful for my free will to choose. I am opening up my mind and heart in gratitude for the good things that are on their way to me now. Thank you, life. I am aligning with my soul, and I allow my light to shine bright from my heart today. I am awakening to the greatness within me. Thank you, universe, for all the resources, potential, and wisdom that flows through me. I am connected to my essence. Connected to source, connected to the infinite wisdom and love that circulates through all. My awareness is constantly expanding, and I am grateful for this journey in my awesome human body. I am so happy and grateful for the freedom I have to be myself. I courageously choose to be authentic and honest. I am truly grateful for this journey of self-discovery. I am a beautiful expression of life. I am here to be me. I am here to shine my unique light. I am lovingly speaking my truth. I am me, and I am grateful for that. I am valuable. Thank you. appreciation for life sends ripples of goodness all around me. I am grateful for the small things, for the big things. I am thankful for a blue sky, the sun shining, the sound of raindrops, the breeze on my skin, the sound of ocean waves, or simply a smile, or a touch, or a warm hug from a good friend. My mind and heart are expanding together in harmony, becoming very aware of so many things to appreciate that I have never thought of before. I am forever thankful for my senses. I love you deeply. I am sending infinite gratitude to all the cells in my body, to all my organs. Thank you for the amazing job you are doing. I truly love you. I thank you. I gratefully and graciously accept all the things that I manifest in my life. I am grateful for the lessons life teaches me. I love to learn and grow. With my mind and heart, I can choose to change what needs to be changed. I am grateful for this opportunity. I am always finding new things to appreciate in my life. I am choosing to be happy and grateful for this moment right now. Old beliefs and emotions that I have carried from the past that does not serve me no more. With peace in my heart, I allow them to let go. I set you free. I thank you. I choose to move into an abundance mindset, an empowering mindset, a positive mindset, lifting myself, lifting others, supporting myself, supporting others. Thank you for peace. Thank you for harmony. Thank you for love. Thank you for passion. Thank you for expansion. I choose to appreciate myself just as I am. Today, I choose to love myself fully and completely. I am sending love to my inner child. Thank you for being you, little one. I appreciate you just as you are. And I send you this energy of love, acceptance, and deep appreciation from my heart to yours, connecting us. You are a beautiful expression of life. I am proud of you. Shine your magical light. I am here for you. I am with you from now on, always. I can choose to accept and appreciate all of me. I don't need to, but I can if I want to. Thank you for courage. Thank you for confidence. Thank you for inner strength. Thank you for freedom. Thank you for kindness, for happiness from within. My appreciation and love for life is constantly expanding. Where my focus goes, energy flows. I am empowering myself and others with my attitude of gratitude. All that I want wants me. Good things come to me because I am grateful. High vibration is my reality. The universe loves gratitude. Thank you, universe. I am so thankful for the freedom to nourish myself with thoughts of abundant and radiant health. I am now gratefully allowing every cell in my body to replenish, repair, and work in harmony. Thank you. I am joyously grateful for my talent in recognizing solutions and opportunities. My life is full of so many things to be grateful for. I am graciously welcoming an increasingly higher dose of life force to fill up my entire being. Thank you, universe. I choose to recognize and send gratitude and love to all aspects of my essence. My physical body, I thank you. I love you. My emotional body, I thank you. I love you. My mental body, I thank you. I love you. My spiritual body, I thank you and I love you. I am passionately grateful for the high vibrational energy that is building up inside me. I am a part of something much bigger than myself. I choose to show up in my life and honor the opportunity that I have been given. Life is an opportunity. I am pure life force in a human body. I am life. I am flexible to changes happening in my life. The more accepting I am of change, the easier it feels. Change is a natural aspect of life. It is a sign of life, and I choose life. I am here on this planet to experience and awaken. Whatever I am going through, it is a part of my growing process. I choose to embrace learning. I fill my heart with gratitude, and I am opening up to receiving and creating what I truly want in my life. I am abundance. I am peace. I am courage. I am love. I am gratitude. You are attracting all these ideas and thoughts into your reality now for the highest good of every soul involved. It is already done. In a few moments, moments the music will fade out, and I want to ask you to breathe a bit deeper now and allow these seeds of truth to sink deep into your subconscious mind. And I'm humbly asking you to put both your hands on your heart now, and I am doing the same now. From my heart to your heart, from my soul to your soul, I thank you for your trust. I believe in you. I see the light in you.